All right, everyone, we're on Pantheon at Busch Gardens, Williamsburg.
Front row.
Front row, yeah.
Got the POV screen.
Here we go.
All right, here comes the first launch. Technical difficulty.
All right, I'm not sure how that turned out.
I can tell you how this turned out. My camera went whoop.
Oh, whoops. I think mine flipped too, but...
So maybe I need to tighten it up a little
yeah,
bit more on our
I think
next.
I need to tighten mine. What'd you think?
That was insane.
That was awesome. That was awesome. That would have to be a top 10 for me, I think.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks for joining us on this POV, and stay tuned for more videos from the adventure spot.
And I'll try and do better on the next forward facing.